Did you know you can save your Artspira creations in the app? Saving your Artspira app creations is easy to do and an important step if you'd like to use them again in the future. I'm here on the draw screen with a design I've created that I would like to save. I'll press the Save key in the upper right-hand corner of my screen and enter a name for the design, then press OK. When you see the saved message appear, you know your design is saved to the My Creations section of your app. Let's go to the section to take a look at our saved design. Press the Cancel key. This exits us from the Drawing Tools screen. Now we're in the New section of the app. Down at the bottom of the screen, locate the My Creations key and press it. Here in the My Creations section of the app, you can view your saved creations. On the left, you'll see a thumbnail of your design displayed, as well as design information to the right-hand side of the thumbnail. You have the ability to save up to 20 designs at a time. Down at the bottom of the screen, you can see how many out of 20 you have saved to your app at any given time. When you've run out of room in the My Creations section, the app will notify you with this error message. It gives you the option to press Cancel and not save your design, or to press OK. When you press OK, you're brought to the My Creations section and given the ability to select multiple designs to be deleted. Once you select one or more files and delete them, you can return to your drawing page and save your current design. To retrieve a saved design, go to the My Creations section by selecting the My Creations key at the bottom of your screen. Browse your saved designs and select the one you would like to use. Once selected, the design opens up in your Drawing Tools page and you can further edit it or transfer to a machine from here.